Hello guys, today I will tell you bus name test. Let's start. This is auto reach. O S T R R I C H. This one is spelling S P A
Next one.
Sit here and read the book. Look.
Okay.
Do.
Yeah, you write.
Light.
Okay, teacher, I am writing. Just wait. I forget to write. Okay. Where is the pencil? Reach. O S T R I C H.
Okay. Go. R O
C R O W. Okay, teacher. Next. Next, teacher.
Go here. With the hand H
H
E
E.
all.
Teacher, N is not clear.
I'm not clear. Okay.
Please make it clear. I could not understand. What is that letter? Okay, teacher, now understand. That is an
What owl?
owl.
Owl.
O
O W
W
L.
L.
Owl. Owl.
Okay, teacher, you are a good teacher.
No. You are not good student because you know that you only look now.
Okay, okay.
You only look now,
Okay.
not reading.
I am reading now.
Okay. Parrot. Okay. P
P
A
A
double R
R
O T.
O
Parrot.
Parrot. But teacher, that is a small A.
Huh? This is a small A.
But the capital letter should be capital letter A.
No, tablet not A. Here will be A and here will be T dislike.
Okay.
Okay, and you can do this. Don't worry. No, you light.
Okay.
Light with the sun. S W A N.
A N swan. Okay.
Okay, here done. The bus name. Here's done. You
Okay.
okay here.
Okay.
Okay, pigeon. B
P
I
I
G E O N.
Okay.
Sing bed.
Okay. Okay.
Ear.
Okay, teacher.
Okay. What is that? TV.
No.
Kite.
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 K
I
I
T
T
T E.
E.
Net. Okay. Okay, net. Because okay. P
E.
E. E.
Okay.
A.
A.
C.
C.
O. C. T.
Okay. Okay.
Good hair. Eagle.
Okay.
E.
E.
A.
A.
G.
G.
O. G.
G.
Oh no, G. Just long. E.
E.
A.
A.
G.
G.
L. E.
L. E.
Duck.
Yeah. Yeah.
D.
D.
U.
U.
C.
C.
T.
K. Thank you, teacher.
And this, Mena, and this.
You know I don't know.
Look, Mena.
Okay.
M.
M.
Y.
Y.
N.
N.
A.
A.
Mena.
Mana.
It's easy.
Okay, it's easy. Yeah. And next one, teacher.
Penguin. P.
P.
E.
E.
A.
N.
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 G.
G.
U. I. N.
G. U. I. N. Thank you, teacher. You check copy.
You not like that is?
I can make, teacher.
Repeat it, Aashi.
Look, this is B I R T S N A M E.
Okay, repeat it.
Look,
Repeat.
look. Ostrich, parrot,
Sparrow.
sparrow, crow, hen, owl, parrot, swan, pigeon, kite, cock,
Peacock.
peacock, eagle, duck, manna, penguin.
Okay, teacher, check my copy. Thank you, teacher. Bye, teacher.
Bye. Bye guys. See you next video of my little challenge Aashi video. See you like my challenge Aashi video. Bye.